Hello everyone, welcome to cbse Maths. Today in this video, we're going to solve exercise 14.1, sixth question. The question is, the table below shows the daily expenditure on food of 25 households in a locality. Find the mean daily expenditure on food by suitable method. So daily expenditure is given as class interval and number of households is given as frequency. So let's try to find out the mean of daily expenditure. For that, as usual, we're going to draw that table of class interval, class mark, frequency, then undefined interval. Then we will going to find out fi, ui. So let's calculate all these things now. First class interval is 100 to 150. So let's write that. Second one is 150 to 200. Third one is 200 to 250. Fourth one 250 to 300. And the last one is 300 to 350. Now we have the class intervals. Let's write the class marks. Class marks can be calculated by adding upper limit with lower limit, then dividing it by 2. 100 plus 150, that is 250, divided by 2, that is 125. Here 150 plus 200, that is 350, divided by 2, that is 175. Here it is 225. Then 250 plus 300, that is 550, divided by 2. It means here we will going to get 275. At last it is 325. Frequency is already given here, so we will write it down. 4, 5, 12, 2 and 2. Now we need to calculate undefined interval. For that, we need one a value, that is assumed mean. So let's consider that assumed mean as 225. So a value is 225. H value, that is class width or class size, that can be calculated by subtracting the lower limit in the upper limit. So here class width or class size is 50. So we will write that one. Now let's calculate undefined interval for this given data. So let's calculate now one by one. So first one is class mark x value is 125 minus a value, that is assumed mean 225, divided by h value is 50, which means we get the value here is minus 100. So let's write that minus 100 divided by 50, which gives us minus 2. So let's write that minus 2 here. Now 175 minus 225 divided by 50, which means we get minus 50 by 50. So here we will going to get the value as minus 1. Here 225 minus 225 divided by 50 means here we get 0. Here we will going to get 275 minus 225 divided by 50 means here we will going to get 1. Here 325 minus 225 divided by 2 means here we will going to get 2. Now we need to find out the product of this frequency and this undefined interval. 4 into minus 2 gives us minus 8. 5 into minus 1 gives us minus 5. 12 into 0 gives us 0. 2 ones are 2. Then 2 twos are we have 4. After this, we need to find out the summation of this frequency and ui. That is the product of frequency and ui. Minus 8 minus 5 gives us minus 13. 4 plus 2 gives us plus 6. So summation of fi ui is minus 7. And here summation of f value is already given, which is 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 12 21, 21 plus 2 23, 23 plus 2 25. Now we have the value of summation of f ui. Let's find out the value of mean of the given data. So for that, formula is bar x is equals a plus h times summation of fi ui divided by summation of f. So here a value is 225, we will write that, plus h value is 50 into here f ui value is minus 7 divided by f value is 25. So 25 ones are 25 twos are. Then we will get the value of bar x as 225 plus into minus gives us minus 7 twos are 14. So 225 minus 14, that is 211. So the expenditure of every family is approximate 211. That is mean of this given data is 211. That is the solution. I hope you all got this solution. Thank you for watching the video.